about the how to install GitHub Copilot free. Yeah, it is fully free in your laptop, desktop, anywhere. So for that you see here, first you have to go and sign up to the github.com. Okay, if you sign up or you can log in, whatever you have. You see how it works. First I show you the demo. You see right hand side I circle it. So this means you can write any question and GitHub will give you the question. So I will tell you what I did. I have written the question. I got the answer. I have written, hey GitHub, give me copilot. Give me one function for add and sub with the with PHP after line number 1498. So I got this answer. And for that, what are the tools are required? First you required Visual Studio Code. So you see I have circled it in the GitHub portal. I will tell you how you come this page, but you have to install first in your laptop Visual Studio Code. After that you required, you see Visual Studio Code, it works with the Visual Studio also. Xcode for iPhone development, you know, editor, rich text editor, in the coding editor you can say IDE, in the Mac operating system, then JetBrains and the NeoVim. It works with these. So these are all the tools you can use with this, and you can see here in the previous screen 22,000 code completion and 50 chat message per month you will get it. And after that you can see you can write the chat message as a chat also in the browser also. If you don't have Visual Studio, first you have to install with Visual Studio Code link, then you can go in the browser and you can do in the browser also. You have to write github.com and then slash then copilot, and you write the question here. Second, I will show you here what are the free version and the business version differences. So business version having some price and enterprise version also, but free version and all the differences you can see here. You can pause and see, and if you see, yeah, same 2000 per month free version or 50 chat message you can. If you go to the paid version per month, then you have to pay around $10. It is coming around 900 rupees per month. Okay, so this is the, I'm not going to tell you paid version, I'm going to tell you free version. So for that you need to log in the GitHub. You can see paid version and free version is showing. Don't go here. You can go and click right hand side. You can see your profile icon. Click on the profile icon and you can see your copilot. So click on your copilot and it will ask you what you want. Free version, and you have to click on that and it will ask you to authorize this one. You have to, once you authorize, then you can see, you will see this kind of the email, and in this email you can click on the try, and once you click on try it will start working. At ChatGPT 4 version also you can use. So this is the hack how to use free version. Once you click accept, and then automatically it will reopen your Visual Studio Code. Automatically it close and it will open, and after open you can start using Copilot. And you can see how much traffic you have used today. So you have to, you can see in the circle I have selected here in the filter. If you click, many options will come, then out of that you have to select GitHub Copilot, and you can see all the traffic. And this is the example I received from the Copilot. So thank you all. This is bharatbaba.com or mydress.com. See you again.